In today's fast-paced world, feeling drained and struggling with weight management has become the new normal. Long work hours, stress, and poor dietary choices leave many people exhausted and frustrated with their bodies. But what if the key to unlocking boundless energy and achieving your ideal weight lies within the tiny powerhouses inside your cells? These microscopic engines, known as mitochondria, play a vital role in how energetic and healthy you feel every day. Mitochondria are responsible for producing the energy that powers every function in your body. When they work efficiently, you feel vibrant, active, and full of life. However, when they weaken due to age, poor nutrition, or lifestyle habits, you may experience fatigue, sluggish metabolism, and stubborn weight gain. Imagine waking up refreshed every morning, no longer struggling with low energy or feeling sluggish throughout the day. What if there was a way to recharge your body from within, enhancing not just your energy, but also your ability to maintain a healthy weight? This is where mitochondrial support becomes essential. Strengthening these energy-producing structures can help boost metabolism, improve stamina, and even enhance overall well-being. And that's exactly where Mitolyn comes into play. Introducing Mitolyn, a revolutionary supplement designed to rejuvenate your mitochondria and revitalize your life. Unlike generic energy boosters that provide only temporary relief, Mitolyn works at a deeper level, targeting the root cause of fatigue and slow metabolism. Mitolyn combines powerful natural ingredients known for their ability to support mitochondrial health. Each component is carefully selected to enhance energy production, optimize cellular function, and promote overall vitality. One of its key ingredients is Maqui Berry, a superfruit rich in anthocyanins. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage and ensuring your mitochondria function at their best. Another crucial ingredient is Berberine, a natural compound that supports metabolic health. By improving the way your body processes energy, Berberine helps optimize weight management and sustains long-lasting energy levels. Mitolyn also includes ginger, a well-known anti-inflammatory agent that supports digestion and overall mitochondrial function. By reducing inflammation in the body, ginger contributes to smoother energy production and better physical performance. With just one capsule a day, Mitolyn seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. No complicated regimens, no excessive caffeine, just pure mitochondrial support to help you feel your best. Countless individuals have already experienced the transformative effects of Mitolyn. People who once struggled with low energy and slow metabolism are now thriving, feeling younger, lighter, and more energetic than ever before. One satisfied user shared, "Since starting Mitolyn, my energy levels have soared. I feel like I can tackle anything." Another added, "I've struggled with weight loss for years. Mitolyn has been a game changer for me." Even healthcare professionals recognize the importance of mitochondrial support. Experts agree that maintaining mitochondrial health is crucial for overall well-being, and supplements like Mitolyn provide a natural, effective way to enhance energy and metabolism. What makes Mitolyn even more appealing is its 90-day money-back guarantee. The creators of Mitolyn are so confident in its effectiveness that they offer a risk-free trial. If you don't see the results you expect, you get your money back, no questions asked. Imagine a life where you wake up every day feeling refreshed, energized, and in control of your body. Imagine having the stamina to do the things you love without feeling drained or sluggish. Mitolyn is more than just a supplement. It's a solution to low energy, slow metabolism, and the frustration of feeling constantly exhausted. It's time to reclaim your vitality and give your body the support it deserves. Visit the official Mitolyn website today to learn more and take the first step towards a healthier, more energetic you. Don't wait, your mitochondria are waiting to be recharged. Mitolyn, empowering your cellular energy for a vibrant life.